My name is Pritesh. I'm the director of Pixelpond. We specialise in recruitment for product teams and technology teams. So the reason I wanted to do a workshop with Abracademy was that even though being sort of an industry leader is great, and people sort of come to me to talk about my expertise, going out there and publicly speaking was very difficult, and I really wanted to find a workshop and a place that can help me sort of channel that sort of creative thinking and change my mindset and make me more comfortable on the stage. As soon as I walked in, it was really comfortable. I felt like I was really sort of welcomed. I was in a space where other people were in the same situation. I think just looking around the room was it was quite settling. I thought I was the only person who was going to be nervous about sort of entering a space where I was just talking about, I guess sort of my anxieties and talking, publicly speaking. As soon as the first sort of initial sort of contact from the team, I felt really relaxed. I saw people from different sort of walks of life. It's a real diverse sort of group of people there, which gave me a lot more comfort. I found, instant connections with people straight away. It was really refreshing to see how engaged I was. I go to so many events, I go to so many workshops and training events where I come out somewhat dissatisfied or it doesn't connect. And I think that this was really sort of channeling a different mindset for me. You can be creative whenever, but I think the main thing is making sure that your day-to-day doesn't become so monotonous that creativity can't slot in through your day. And I think that's one important thing that we're trying to do here, is that every touch point of all our service should have that creativity and that sense of magic within that.